and welcome back to another fun episode of Frankie's Fright Nights. And I had so much fun in interviewing all my besties from the Real Life Monster High show. And you know, sometimes things don't come out right, no matter how many times you rehearse them at home. Now here's a look of some of the not so well rehearsed days at Real Life Monster High.
One of you students is guilty. One of you took my glasses and I demand to know who. One of you is guilty. One of you took my glasses and I demand to know who.
Really?
One of you is guilty. One of you took my glasses and I demand to know who.
Come on, this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. I know it will. This has to be it. Ready? Let's do it again.
Okay. One of you is guilty. One of you took my glasses and I demand to know who.
Oh yeah, Monster High can be pretty fun. And this next guest is pretty and fun too. And here's one of my besties' little sisters. Please help me welcome Howleen Wolf. Wow, Frankie, Claudine was right. This is totally awesome. Well, you've got it all. Thanks, Howleen, and I'm totally sparked to have you on the show tonight. And I hear you're going to be in the talent show at school. That's right, Frankie. And this is just the chance I've been looking for. This is my own time to show off my style and talent. I'm not just Claudine's little sister, you know. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean... No worries, Frankie. I'm just tired of my sis saying, do this, don't do that. Wear this, don't wear that. And quite frankly, Frankie, I've had it. I love you, sis, but I need to have my own thing. And what is that going to be for you, Howleen? Well, if you don't mind, Frankie, I thought I'd take a shot at it on this show tonight. Yeah! That sounds fantastic! How can I help? Well, if the music is cued and ready. Having me on the show tonight. No, thank you, Howleen. That was energizing. We are so happy that you came today. And I'm sure that all Real Life Monster High can agree that you're not just Claudine's sister. Yeah! You're Howleen, a ghoul that taps to her own beat. Yeah! Yeah, ghoul, I like that. And we liked you. Right, ghouls? Yeah! Well, that's all we have time for tonight. Join us next week for some more fun on Frankie's Fright Nights. And don't forget to watch the next episode of Real Life Monster High. Ta-ta, everybody!